Hello, my name is Alan. I'm from Spotahome, London, and today I'm in Harley Street. It's a nice area in London, just 5 minutes walking from the DLR line, and it's very close to supermarkets, pharmacy and everything. Very nice location in London. So I will start to show you the house. That is the entrance of the house, and if you arrived here in the house, we can turn to the left and we have a toilet here. A small toilet. That's the toilet. And then if you turn to the second door to the left, we have the kitchen here. That's the kitchen. And that's the view of the house as well. Okay, here we also have the washing machine, and here we have some space to put foods, and also more space to put food. And here we also have some pans, some plates here, and here to the right we have the fridge, and here down we have the freezer. Okay, once we are here in the entrance, if you go straight down, we have the room number 1. It's a double room. It's already occupied, but it's a big room, nice window, very brightness here. And then if you turn to the right in the corridor, we have the bathroom with a shower, big shower, and some more space here. That's the bathroom. And if you continue going straight and we turn to the left, we have the room number 2. That's a double room as well. It's already occupied too. That's the room number 2. So if we come back to the corridor and we turn to the left again, we have the room number 3. That's a single room, and it's already occupied as well. That's the room, and that's the view from outside. That's the room number 3. And here we have the corridor as well. And if you turn back to the corridor and turn to the left, we have the room number 4. That's the room to rent. That's a big room, double bed, 2 windows, a small one and a big one. And then we have some space to put things here, some clothes, and here more space. And that's the room. And then it's the corridor, and that's the apartment. So if you come back, here's the entrance. That's the apartment, and I hope you like that, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.